If you're watching this video, you have just completed your successful and I imagine amazing launch party for your SENEGENCE business. Congratulations on getting this far in launching your business. It is a big step. The next thing we're going to talk about is what to do now. Now that you've launched your business, where do you take your next steps? And that is to always have a personal demo, your own personal demo on the books every single week for your customers. Just like you did the first week, you're going to continue to go through your list of names and invite them to your parties. So each week your goal is to fill your demo and either do a larger LIPSENSE party or a smaller full face beauty demo where you talk about all of the products and you help them do a full SENEGENCE face. One thing you also want to do is get with your sponsor and start setting some weekly goals. Ask them and use them to support you in tracking and being accountable for those goals. Now, the first goal that they're probably going to set for you is to work on your fast start bonus, which is when you place 1,000 PV of orders in 30 days, another 1,000 in 60 days, and a third 1,000 in 90 days, you receive free product. And so in order to stay on track for earning those bonuses, you want to break those down into weekly goals. So I tell my distributors that your goal is to put in a 300 PV order minimum each week. And your party is going to help you do that. So with following up from customers from your previous demos and your launch demo and working with new customers at your weekly personal demos, that should be a piece of cake. The next thing you want to be focused on is ranking up to the first rank of Maiden. And what that means is that you have 3 distributors beneath you that you've personally signed up that each place 300 PV orders in the same month. So to do that, we kind of figure out a formula. The formula is that 1 in 5 people that you present the opportunity to will sign up as a distributor. So if you want to sign up 3 that week or that month, you need to present to 15 people. So whether that's one-on-one meetings with friends over coffee, girls' night where you have them over to play with the makeup, or you have a hostess hosting a party for you, you want to be able to have the opportunity to present the SENEGENCE choice to 15 people to get your 3 signed up so you can rank to Maiden. From there, depending on how fast you're able to rank up, you're going to set more goals. So that's basically how you're going to continue to build your SENEGENCE business. You're going to book your own personal demos each week. From those demos, you're going to be having those people book their own personal parties, so they'll be the hostesses instead of you. And then each person who buys from you from your personal demo and those hostess parties, you offer the opportunity to sign up for the wholesale discount or to build the SENEGENCE business. And if you continue to do that and you set goals every week, you will be ranking up like you won't believe. So that is basically how we launch our distributors. Make sure that you're staying in contact with your personal sponsor. Make sure you're watching training videos once you've gotten to this point where you've already launched your business. Attending in-person trainings are really important and crucial to building your business. Joni always tells us you need to show up to go up. So congratulations again on launching your business. We're looking forward to seeing you at trainings, and good luck with everything.